wake up from the sunshine on my face, so dehydrated, don't know what.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a relaxing nighttime clean with me. It's a really fun one because I'm actually collabing with another mama here on YouTube, and her name is Courtney Allison. She is somebody that I've been talking to for a long time now, over a year. We text, we talk personal stuff all the time. She is super sweet and down to earth, and she also does like cleaning videos and all types of mom videos on her channel. So make sure when you're done watching my video that you head over to her channel, you check it out, show her some love, and also mention in the comments that I sent you. I would really appreciate it. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and just jump into the video.
We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. It felt like we...
Alright you guys, so I am cleaning on a weekend night here. It's really nice because everybody's already upstairs in bed, and I can just turn on my music and clean the downstairs. So right now I am using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. It is in the scent Lilac. I absolutely love this scent right now.
We're drinking way too much. I guess I got caught up. Can someone make this headache go away? We were dancing in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in...
So if you're new to my channel, I do have a Roomba, and that Roomba is actually set to turn on automatically Monday through Friday at 11 a.m. every day. But on Saturday and Sunday, we don't run the Roomba at all because we're home chilling and it's really loud, and it runs for about an hour, so we don't even run it. So right now I'm just sweeping up the living room because there was some mess in the living room, not the whole downstairs, but in the living room where we were hanging out. So sadly, I lost some footage of me cleaning the table, so I just have me like picking up everything, but I do show like after photos later in the video of how clean the table looks, so I did wipe it down. If you're new to my channel and you're over here from Courtney's channel, hi, my name is Lindsay. I am a mama of two, and I do a lot of different like cleaning videos, some grocery hauls, organization, things like that. If you're into my video or you're into those types of videos, I'd love to have you a part of my family over here on YouTube. So just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that alarm button because it really helps where you won't miss another video. It'll help notify you when I have a new video out. If you're a returning subscriber, hello. If you guys can comment down below that you enjoyed this video and you have any other video requests, I would love to hear about them. I really enjoy making these nighttime cleaning videos. They're super relaxing, and I get to use a little bit different music that I'm into, so I really enjoy making them. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed watching it.
You put smiles on everyone.
So right now I'm using the Cascade dishwashing soap. I actually just picked that up from Costco. I do like to use a non-toxic, but they don't really carry non-toxic cleaning products there. So I just went ahead and picked that up because I did need some dishwashing soap, and it really does a good job in cleaning our dishes. As for pots and pans, I always hand wash pots and pans and put them on my dish mat. Well, most of the time, not 100%, but most of the time, I just rather the pots and pans be cleaned and put on the counter because they take up so much room in the dishwasher, and then the rest of the dishes don't get a good clean. So this is one of those things that I do not clean every time I clean at night. I had to go ahead and just go in with the Clorox wipes and clean up the microwave just because there were some huge splatters in there and I just couldn't deal. I hate like the smell of food in a microwave if it hasn't been cleaned. So I had to definitely clean that tonight. So I don't typically use Clorox wipes on the oven, but I was just doing a quick clean for any like food particles or anything like that. I do use other products when I'm like deep cleaning my glass oven top there, and I do show those in other videos that I have linked down below. So right here I was really sad because I was looking everywhere for chalk so I can go ahead and write treats back on there, and I couldn't find the chalk, so it's blank for now.
someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, 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 shine on me. I've been chasing highs just to breathe, yeah.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some relaxing clean with me motivation. Make sure you say hi in the comments below. Don't forget to check out Courtney's channel, and also give me a thumbs up so I know that you guys like these videos, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Here is the comment of the day. Bye guys.